ATVF families. I am Katriel and I am an intern with ATPF. I would like to create a new series, and why I'd like to create the series is varied in reasons. One thing that has led me to want to create this series is I struggled with life a lot when I was growing up. I have Asperger's, which is something I don't know if this makes me unique. I struggled in school, and I struggled with friendships, and I struggled with just controlling myself, as you'll see later on in the series. And I want to help people avoid the struggles I face and know how to overcome these struggles if people, including you, do have to face them. When I was growing up, I had a lot of people helping me, and they all seemed to be very not having disabilities. And so I feel like that's one thing that could make me really helpful, is the fact that I have understood some of the struggles myself, or many of the struggles myself, and I can relate to people and not just learn about people and then try and work with them. I mean, that's great too, but I think it's also important to be able to relate to people, including people with disabilities. So having Asperger's has made my social life very difficult. One thing that I've had to deal with much of the time is losing friends. I've lost many friends, and this has been one of the least fun parts of my life. So that's the second reason. The third reason is I'm working at ATPF to learn what it would be like to help people with disabilities overcome their struggles. And I am thinking about working with people with disabilities as a career. So because I have experienced disabilities myself, I am thinking it's God's calling on my life to work with people who have disabilities. And I don't know if this is true universally, but I know because I had disabilities, I had both some great things, like I was very creative, and I also had some harder things, like losing friendships. And I want to limit the harder things for people and help create more great things. Another reason I am doing these videos is I want to create more awareness about people with disabilities, because I feel like there's a lot of misconceptions about people with disabilities, and those can be very, very harmful. I want to try and limit those as much as possible. And this is just my life experience that I'll be sharing in these videos. This is not the overall experience, but I hope these videos are helpful, and I'd love to hear what you think of them. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.